Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Murder Mystery once again. Uh, well, let's see.
Kanya daw kayo ng gulay.
Don't tell me it's one of those glitches that you just never. No way, Chad.
Hindi mo pa way.
No, it is one of those things that don't worry. Let's just do another. Yes, Chad, I am. I don't.
Pag may servers before yun, wala. Ano lang,
So,
ano
let's
dito, before, isa lang. Tong human,
Nice.
kasi human lang yung ano ko eh. Kasi wala talagang nag-help sa akin, like, nag-ano talaga ako. Ang hirap talaga.
Akira.
Kasi, yung mga kalaban mo, ang
So,
mga cheater,
what are we
ganyan,
gonna do?
yun. Kaya isa na lang yung
Hey, yo.
before ko.
That's us, bro. Chad, I got 86. What's slash E dot wait.
Tulungan mo magkuha ng
Slash E
cyber.
wait.
Yeah, pangit naman kasi ng hindi naman masyado na pangit yung cyber.
Kyle. Okay. Hey, free win, I guess. Bum, bum, bum. I think this shirt. Did this shirt
Yung mga kalaban, pag
leave or
marami.
something? I mean, did the murderer just leave?
Ayun sila,
Oh, I don't know. But
pag maraming kalaban. Kasi pag maganda kasi yun eh. Para yung ano niya, yung parang, ano yun, circle. Sakit din yun eh, no? Yung matamaan ka.
hey, I'll give some. Wait, what? Really?
Pag itong ano ko, ganito, mga 134,
Chad, we got
ganito,
this again.
199.
But let's
Ito,
trade
wala
it.
na, 1 hit na kayo.
See if he actually gives.
Kaya 30M pa yun. Pero hindi ko sure sa 30M. Makapalag ko yung 30M. Pag magaling talaga gumamit. Pag magaling gumamit. Pag ganyan, ano? Yan, pag ganyan na. Diba?
Actually, got free win.
Wala na, 1 hit na kayo lahat din.
Chad, that's Yo, Chad, we just got killed by.
Nakuha niyo maganda.
So what am I gonna do?
Yung pinakamagandang skin ng pain. Yung super spirit na full gear na yan. Full gear na to.
Yun, may emote.
Yes, it's full gear na.
Red dance. Okay, Chad, what will you? Always is. Bro, why this?
Yung pray pala yung wolf ng boss.
You're not told me.
Lang yung kaya natin.
Chad, please help me get to 50 subscribers. I want to go live.
Diba, pray nga.
By the way, don't miss tomorrow's every I will make.
Napagalan na ito ito.
I will go live if I can. And this goes freaking. I'll just. Oh, why is this guy following me? Dun, 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 dun.
Di matamaan. Tamaan ko lang.
Shadows. Why do I feel like this crossbow?
Wala. Wala kasi, gagi.
now.
Aray, 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 aray.
Hmm.
Sakit ko naman kasi.
Someone died. Someone died.
Mas may pa-plastic ka pang...
I knew it. Chad, I knew it. What's this? All alone. Hey, bitch. So easy to...
Suntukan na lang tayo. Tigas.
Oh my god, Chad.
Birthday ko pala bukas. No, birthday mo bukas. Patay na
Today,
kayo. Gift ko
no.
sa'yo.
Wait.
Wala mo gift. Ano bang pwede mo i-gift sa'yo?
What do I feel like?
Ano bang gift Lara?
Last call.
Ilan na nga na? Ilang taon ka na pala ano?
Damn.
Kuya mo pala ako. Konti.
Damn, Chad.
Lamang ka ng isa.
I was just too quiet. Sorry.
Lamang ka isa.
Do you like
Angas, girls.
pray loud? Wait.
Huwag tayo dito sumayaw. Dapat sumayaw ka.
Follow me.
Tapos yung ano. Yung parang event niya. Itong tumayupak na to. Ang tigas naman kasi. Paano ko ito papatay na madali? Ang tigas mo kasi yung aray. Kapit ang mag-before oh. Ito na. First roll natin. Ano kayang makukuha?
Bro, the hackers are killer.
Spin eh.
Bro,
Pangit naman ang
you're a
hinay,
hacker and you lost. In bear.
Ay,
To be
wait. Makakuha tayo ng ano. May
We're
tatlong
8
roll
minutes
tayo.
in, Jet. Also, this is just 10-minute
may
video.
isa pa tayo. Ay,
Again. Yes. Please.
score natin to.
Okay, so
Wala
it's
akong
our
speed.
1 minute.
Ano, mayroon pala.
Please, Jet. Let everyone get some subscribers right now.
Abot kaya?
And you.
Gogi, hindi umabot.
My main goal right now is
Mas
what? My main.
Pangit naman ang bigay mo.
It isn't again. Dapat is Jet. Goodbye. Well, it
Tara. Ano
Chat.
naman, magti-trip na naman
well
tayo.
to end the video. So see you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do it. I'm really begging, actually. Do it. Okay, bye.